Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about the SEC is hunting down crypto companies, including Consensys, Uniswap, and Robinhood. Who's next? SEC wells notice to Robinhood crypto continues trend of probes in digital asset industry now. Not only the Robinhood, but Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Ripple, Consensys, and Tether, the Uniswap, and Robinhood. These companies were all sued by SEC. Yes, it's a Wells notice, but they will sue against Robinhood and Uniswap in the near future. Not only that, Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETFs see first outflows solely from China AMC. China AMC's spot Bitcoin ETF fund saw 75.36 Bitcoin leave the product on Monday. The other two ETFs recorded zero inflows, meaning the atmosphere in Hong Kong is not that good. In fact, mainland China is ready to accept Bitcoin ETF through the ETF products in Hong Kong to the mainland China. But due to macro factors, due to some geopolitical tensions, crypto market looks dodgy these days. SEC delayed another decision whether to approve or not the proposed Invesco Galaxy Spot Ethereum ETF. SEC set its next deadline to July 5th to approve or disapprove of the proposed Spot Ether ETF. The optimism for the SEC approving such a product has dwindled over the past few months, but it looks like SEC will disapprove Ethereum Spot ETF, especially on May 23rd, the final deadline of the VanEck Ethereum Spot ETF. If they reject all those applications, I think SEC will approve Ethereum Spot ETF by late 2024 or maybe early next year. A wave of crypto enforcement actions is coming within the next 2 years. It was not from the Gary Gensler SEC, but it was from CFTC chair, the Venom, Mr. Venom, he mentioned. In addition to SEC, CFTC joins in as a bad actor in crypto, saying more crypto enforcement is coming, is on the way, which looks very like a doomsday of crypto. Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital's market cap rises $800 million as stock jumped 18%. This is the very few good news these days. Marathon Digital's shares increased by 18% and its market capitalization by about $800 million in the wake of S&P Global announcing that this Marathon Digital was added to the small cap 600 S&P index. That was why the Marathon Digital stock price increased by 18%. Not only Marathon Digital, but Coinbase Exchange and MicroStrategy and Real World Asset Tokenization. These companies and trend was chosen by whom? BlackRock. And I think in the future, XRP, the ETF, spot ETF, I think that is going to be approved as well. Anyway, in short, crypto is a global mega trend made by BlackRock, Marathon Digital, Coinbase Exchange, and even Ethereum because they applied for Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETF applications. So those are when they are chosen by BlackRock, it becomes just mega trend. I'm saying here, do not dare to fight against this trend. Just please take full advantage of this great trend. And this trend is crypto itself. And Bernstein analysts doubled down on 150,000 Bitcoin price prediction. Analysts at Bernstein cited a variety of factors when doubling down on their prediction that the price of Bitcoin might hit $150,000 this cycle. And though the price of Bitcoin has pulled back modestly in recent weeks, analysts believe the leading cryptocurrency is far from done. They have reiterated their prediction that Bitcoin will reach $150,000 this cycle and expected by the end of 2025. I think the similar way because global liquidity cycle, meaning aka money printing, this cycle has already begun in 2022. And this liquidity will continue till the end of next year, meaning crypto bull cycle is very likely to continue till the end of 2025. For sure, nobody can predict the future, but just assume that this money printing will pump the market, not only crypto but stocks and the real estate and everything. Not only this year but next year as well. The analysts share their view that the recent correction to a local low of roughly $57,000 effectively cleaned up the access, the leverage on futures contracts and crypto exchanges. And even after a 78-day streak of outflow, on May 3rd, even Grayscale GBTC ETF recorded $63 million of net inflows, which is a very good sign for Bitcoin price. The Bernstein analyst also cited strong overall inflows into ETFs of the past 3 months and new encouragement for corporate treasuries to buy Bitcoin through the Bitcoin spot ETF products and steady post-halving Bitcoin hash rate and healthy post-halving transaction fees and subdued price for Bitcoin mining equipment as healthy signs for the overall Bitcoin market. So even though despite those all, the not that good atmosphere in crypto, Bernstein is very much optimistic about the Bitcoin and the whole crypto market overall. In short, Bitcoin is very much undervalued and they have a very long way to go. So, is it doomsday coming or is it worth waiting for a crypto mega bull run? I think crypto is already chosen by BlackRock and everything else is just a noise. So accumulate as many coins as possible throughout this year. Just buy the dip as many as possible because this great opportunity won't last forever. Thank you for listening.